Hi everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how you can download your Fifth Third banking application. Keep watching the video till the end to download your Fifth Third banking application. Firstly, open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Fifth Third Bank application and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. But if the application isn't available on Google Play in your region, open your APK. In your application, in the search box, type in Fifth Third and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, tap on the Install button to start the installation process. Once the installation process is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your Fifth Third application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.